Hey guys, quick video about AUTOSHIP. Now AUTOSHIP might be one of the scariest words in the network marketing industry, especially because people think it's a subscription and they think that they need to do this, right? So AUTOSHIP makes it easier for all of us. This is how we get free shipping. This is how we guarantee our position on the compensation plan if we're distributors. And of course, you can cancel an AUTOSHIP anytime. You can change the products on it. You can change the address, the credit card, all that stuff. So you're not locked into it. You're not obligated to it. But in the last 5 years, I don't think I've ever missed an AUTOSHIP because I do want to qualify my position on the compensation plan. Also, I want to actually take those products. I want my 90 essential nutrients. I want it at the lowest possible price. And for me, that definitely means getting free shipping. Really, the main thing to know is that to set up an AUTOSHIP, whether it's on Youngevity.com or the back office, if you go down to the bottom and go to the distributor back office, you can sign in there as a customer as well. I prefer the back office for some reason, but either way, when you set up your first AUTOSHIP or you set it up for the first time, you just have to set it up for the next month. That's the most important thing. So if you just signed up right now, you need to set your AUTOSHIP up for the 1st to the 28th of the next month. And you very simply just sign in wherever you want to sign in, Youngevity.com or back office or one of the other replicated sites. Doesn't matter. You could also call the company. The phone number is on the back of every product. They can help you with that. They're open 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time. If you want to cancel the AUTOSHIP, you send an email to autoship@youngevity.com. Obviously, you want to do this a bit ahead of time. If your AUTOSHIP is going through tomorrow morning and it's Sunday night, you waited too long. You can't call the company and cancel that. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's not much to it. One tip, I guess, I like to do this on the desktop, and most people don't know you can hit Control F on your keyboard and it allows you to search. So Youngevity has thousands of products, and in the back office it just shows up as a list when you're going through them. So if you press Control F, you can just search the product very quickly and get it all done very, very quickly. That's it for now, guys. Appreciate you. Until next time. If you are a distributor, if you haven't seen my longer version of the compensation plan video, definitely check that out. Definitely get yourself a copy of Dr. Wallach's cookbook. This is basically a textbook teaching you everything you know about how to cook without the bad foods, particularly oil and gluten, and all of the other problematic things on the list. This is 300 pages stuffed full of recipes, every traditional recipe that you could think of, and modern dishes without the bad foods that they're usually made from. And of course, make sure to check out our food page, Notus Foods, that's on YouTube, and at Notus Foods on Instagram. We have a lot of content up there teaching you how to cook without the bad foods that Dr. Wallach describes, and Dr. Glidden's 12 bad foods, all of that, all of the rules that you need to know. And we have experienced chefs and bakers who will answer the questions in those inboxes. And definitely check out my newest book, Fake Diseases. It covers all of the major topics that come up, like birth defects, blood sugar problems, bone and joint problems, cancer, autoimmune problems, and more. And it's on Amazon for just $9.99. And the audiobook read-along version is free here on YouTube, and the link for that is in the description of this video. And I've also published a book in response to some of Dr. Wallach's criticisms, including the major articles that have been written against him on the internet. So if you are a Dr. Wallach fan or a Youngevity distributor, I definitely recommend having this book in your toolkit.